Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about on what stock we traded today and what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you my live trades also, and I'll be telling you how you guys can also make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, the time now exactly it's 9 o'clock, and yes, so the pre-open market session is open now. So as you can see, market is almost 0.41% up in the pre-open. So exactly at 9:07 the pre-open market will close, and then we'll get to know the exact trend of the market, and we'll see where the market will start from. So as of now it's fluctuating a lot. So as you guys know, in the pre-open market there will be a lot of things happening, so the fluctuation will also be high. So we'll see how the market performs today, and also we'll be showing you my live trades, what I do today. And also there's a lot of differences in bids and offer in the pre-open market session, as you guys already know. So yes, it's turning downwards now, 0.2221, so it's turning downwards. So we'll see once the market is opened, we'll see what are the stocks I can trade today and how the market will be. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. If you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade, and let me show you my live trading what I did. So guys, now the pre-open market is being closed. Okay, so as you guys can see, the Nifty is now at 0.20% up. Okay, so this has been decided now, and as you guys can see, the opening price of the stocks will now be decided. Okay, so this is the opening price of the stocks. At 9:07 itself, you can come to know the opening price of any stock. So you can go to the market tab. So here you can see the opening price and also the price what will be there. Okay, so this will be the opening price. So at 9:07, so these are the things which will get decided, that is where the market opening price and also the stock opening price. Okay, so right now 0.20%. So guys, ICICI Bank short swell we are going now. Okay, so we'll see how much the stock would fall. So 355, so 353.50 will be my target. 353.50 almost. So this is my target line. So we'll see now. So yes, as you guys can see, it's at 354 as of now. So guys, you can see here, so 353.75 is a low made as of now. So guys, 353.8575. So 55. So guys, as you can see, 50 has been hit now. So the target what I gave is achieved on ICICI Bank. Yes, it's continuing to fall down, guys, as you can see. So this was the call what I was given for my client also. So we all traded on this ICICI Bank and we were able to book the profit. So guys, as you can see, the ICICI Bank is still continuing to fall down and I was able to book this profit on this trade and I took a cover order. So let me just show you. So yes, it is still continuing to fall down. The low made as of now is 352.10. Okay, so as you guys can see, the market depth looks a huge difference in the buyers and sellers. As you guys can see, like 18 lakh buyers and 87 lakh sellers. So I think this stock might continue to fall down. So actually the market is going up. Okay, so when it started it was initially 0.2%. now the market is going up. So but the ICICI Bank is coming down. Okay, so this is the stock trend. Okay, so as you can see, the market is looking like this today. So it's not showing that strong upward movement also, but we'll see. Anyway, we are done for the first trade today on ICICI Bank. So if I take any other trades, I shall update you guys. So guys, yes, this was a trade what we took today, and now let me show you my client screenshot of profit. So this is the profit what they have shared with me. So 2337 rupees profit, 2956 rupees profit, 4125 rupees profit, and 9940 rupees profit. So these are the profit what me and my client were able to book today in today's trade of ICICI Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.